today we will start with the date functions. If we go in formula meaning, control M, we have many formulas over here. So if you select date functions, date and time functions. So date value days 360, week 81 month, hour IS for week minute, month, network days INTM, now and second, time. This minute we have in date functions. So we'll start your functions today. So I will start the function with now. It will give the now function. It will give the date and time format. If you observe this one, I got 8:21. What is my system time is, and also here 13:31. Here if you check this one 132. The actual formula is developed like 24 hours format though, so that's why it is showing this one. So if you give control colon, then also it will give the date. So what is the difference between these two formats? It is the started one. If you want to change for next minute or next hour, it won't change. If use the formula, it is a dynamic. We can change it as per the system format. If you want to change this one after 1 hour, we can change it. And today formula will give that what is the today date, and minute, sorry, will go hour. So if you read this one, returns the hours as number from 0 to 23 hours. So this is the syntax. We have to give the serial number. If you give some 12 13, so it will give the 0, because of the hours should be the decimal one. For example 1 is to give the 2. So if I take this one hour date, it will give the what is the hour present. Okay, and also we can go this one. Now formula till you the 30 and minute. So if you want to know what is the minute of current, there's this one 34 minutes, right? Seconds of now, so it will give the 14 seconds. And if you want to date, so the date format is year, month, day. You have to complete these 3 parameters in the syntax, then only you will get the output. So now I'm giving year of now, comma, and month. So it will give the what is the current date as for this format. So well, the same as it can, but the formula looks like the big one. First we have to understand what is your requirement and how to design the formula. And the same way, if you want to time, so here time also it is divided into 3 parameters: hour, minute and second. So if you use hour, now, minute, now, and second, not 30 second, now. So here 136. And say for example you have some value 1 2 3, so this value if I convert into date, so it is given 57903. so what is the meaning? I give that number, but it's given if I convert this one, give this one some date format. So for this one we have one, the Excel is designed like one day equal to one number. So if I give one, if I convert into this one date format, alternate, so it's give for 1st Jan. I will take long format, long date format. So here January 1st 1900, because of this format, this Excel is started from 19th century onwards. So if you give one number, it's give the January 1st 1900. If I give two, the same way, it gives January 2nd, Jan 2nd 1900. The same way for this number, for 223 number, means it is after 19th century, it is 223 days. So if you convert into the date, it will give this one May 7th 1903. So this is very helpful to understand how the date will change from number to date. And so we have covered now today hours, minute and second and date and time. So if you go this one, you can find out what are the date functions here. So here date value, okay, convert date value. If we can read that what is the meaning of this date value formula. Converts a date in the form of text to numbers that represent the data in Microsoft Excel date time code. So for example, I have a date value, I have some date text. For example, today 8/21/2016. So if I want to convert this one to values, this date value formula will be useful. See, right? So if I will convert to this one as a date, it will give the 8/21/2016. Okay, and again go to formulas, can date functions and day. So for example, day of today, comma, we can find out what is the day of today. So it is the 21st. So this formula is useful for which present day in formulas, functions, days. This returns the day of the month, numbers from 1 to 21. So here if you give that day serial number, end date and start date. For example, I will give some date here, 2017. So days. So it is asked, the syntax is end date comma start date. So it will give what is the how many days are there between those two particular days. So it is almost one, it is the same day of next year, the same day of next year 2017, 21st of August. So it will give the 365 days. So that is useful. Days function is useful to find out how many days are between the two dates. And EVO month. EVO month is nothing but here end of the month. So it will give the EVO month. So returns the serial number of last day of the month before or after specified the number of months. So for example, I have today date. So I would like to know what is the this month end date. So EVO date, EVO month, if you use this one 0, so it will give that. So 31st of August 31st. So if you want to know next month last day, so it is 19th of 19 September 30th. So in this time you can find out how many days in that particular month. So I will check this one. Instead of using this one, I will use row form A1. So it will give this one. I will freeze this, freeze it. So I hope you understood this one. So okay, we'll discuss in the next session. So today we covered these many formulas. Now today, hour, minute and second, date, time and days and day, and also we covered EVO month. We will, if you have any questions, please reach out me. I will update this one in YouTube. You can like and share it also. Thank you very much.